welcome back to my channel. Today I kind of wanted to film a video where I give you guys a couple simple Halloween eyeliner looks for anyone who's a little lazy to go full out on their costume. You can still feel a little spirit of Halloween in your makeup. So this video is going to have 3 different eyeliner looks. The first one is going to be kind of like a spider web type of look that I have on right now. The second one is just going to be a bat wing eyeliner, and the third is going to be like kind of like a devil, like the devil's tail. If you guys want to see how to do these very like simple easy eyeliner looks, just keep watching. Before I get into everything, I just wanted to point out that the eyeliner I'm using is very dry. You guys using your like regular eyeliners, your looks are gonna look a lot cleaner than what I am able to show you with my eyeliner. I was considering waiting for my like new eyeliner order to get in. I wanted to be able to like post the video pretty soon so that you guys have time to try out the different looks before like Halloween is actually here. So please bear with me. Okay, so taking a black liner, I'm just going to be drawing my lash line. And then for my wing, I'm gonna draw it out straight. And I'm gonna bring it out pretty long. And then you see this little like V is created, I'm gonna fill that in. Okay, so once we have that line started, I'm going to draw the 3 other lines. So the second line is gonna be right here. The third is going to be kind of right here. The last line is going to be here. So for the second line, it's still going to be a pretty long line, but we're going to make it shorter than the first line that we drew. Now we're doing the second line. And then the third. So now that we kind of have the shape of our spider web, we're going to connect the lines from kind of midway. And just draw an upside down U shape. And then we're going to connect the ends in the same shape. Now I'm just gonna clean up the lines, and then that is it for the first eyeliner. Okay, going on to the second eyeliner look, it's this Batwing eyeliner, kind of a classic for Halloween eyeliners, so I'm just gonna get into it on my other eye. So like I did for the first one, I'm going to line my lash line, but instead of drawing the actual wing first, I'm going to draw the little bottom part of the wings. So starting at the corner of my eye, I'm going to draw the upside down U shape. And then I'm going to draw a second one, and when I draw the second one, I'm going to lift the other side a bit, a little like this. And then the third one is going to be a little larger. I'm going to draw the top section right here. You're just gonna draw a line this way, and then you're gonna draw another like half oval shape starting from this line. So this is going to be your actual eyeliner. So I'm just going to lift my wing and fill in that gap. And then I'm gonna fill in the empty spots. And then just like we did for the first eyeliner look, we're gonna do a sharp inner corner. I just already have it drawn from the first time. Now for this eyeliner look, since it is not connecting to my bottom lash line, I'm just gonna take a brown crayon liner and I'm just going to draw like my fake lash line, kind of shading this area right here. And that's just going to balance out my eye so that it doesn't look like it's lifting too much, if that makes sense. Yeah, and then that is the bat eyeliner look. Okay, so this next look is like a little devil tail eyeliner look, and this one is like the easiest and fastest look that you can do. So first, I'm just gonna draw my wing as like I normally would. And the only thing you really have to keep in mind is to make the wing long enough for the like tail to wrap around twice. So I'm going to be taking a liquid activated liner. This is the 𝘀𝐻𝗌𝗶 liner in the shade Bandana. So I'm going to start at the bottom corner of my liner right here. And I am going to bring the tail through my eyeliner like this. And then I'm just going to wrap it like that. So once it's there, the tail is now behind the liner. So it's gonna come up from under and curl up again. And then now I'm going to curve it here. And then just draw a little V. And then there you have it. Those are the 3 super fast, super easy, lazy eyeliner looks for Halloween. I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope it was helpful for anyone who is looking for a very like quick Halloween makeup look. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye!
I was used to hiding what I want and panicking when my name was called.